Alright guys, 9:28 p.m. right around the final here for my Hulk. Again, thank you all and for getting in and good luck. Here we go, we're going to go live. We are live, 9:28 p.m. 9:28 p.m. We are going to grab the list here. Kyle Snyder on the ends. Copy that. And we will drop it into random. Kyle Snyder on the top and the bottom. Alright, we're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 12. We're going 12 times. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 11 times. Dice shows a 12. Next click, top spot wins. Good luck. And 12. Congrats to Joe. Spot number 9. You are the winner. Get in touch with me, and I will get you your bobblehead. We are done. 9:29 p.m. We will go back to the post. We will type done. Oops, sorry, I was playing with my caps lock there. There we go. We are done. 9:29 p.m. 9:29 p.m. Here is the verification and the timestamp.